ko na po patatagalin pa. This idol group has been performing since day one, and they have charmed us with their cuteness, their power of vocals, and of course, yung pure talent nila in dancing and in making us so exciting. So, complete na sila, tama? There are 7 members. Let's give it up to Hoshi Zora! Ang cute. Pinaghandaan nila tong stage na to. Some of them, talaga first time nila in Baguio. So what a memorable experience. Once again, give it up to Hoshi Zora.
1, 2, 3, 4. I want you, I need you, I need you, I love you,
No?
Hello? Yan! Umuon po ba? Hello?
Ayan, so magandang gabi everyone. Taglish. Ayan, sinong nilalamig ulit? Ay, nagiinit yung iba. Ayan, so sana kayo po ay nahatid po namin ang warm through our performances. Muli kami po ay Hoshi Zara. So magpapakilala po kami, baka hindi niyo po kami kilala.
Yung characters po muna namin, tulad ng ginawa namin kahapon. Bale, ito po ay call and response. Yung call and response po is para bang interaction ng fans sa idol. Since nagko-cosplay po kami as idol members ng isang idol group. So, magsa-start po muna sa akin. Naka-Japanese po siya. So, based po siya sa anime. Okay. Cafe olet yaki ringo daisuki sa rururu tomato mo tabetai hamburger demo ii. Woo! Next! Subarashi koi no hito, subarashi koi no hito, subarashi koi no hito. Galaxy! にゃはマリですの。はい、皆さん、鬼ナッツ。
Wish you, wish you, wish you, wish. Yung akin nato mahaba. Ayan, yung sa akin po kasi Tagalog version na lang siya. So, anong capital ng Pilipinas? Palakas naman. Anong capital ng Pilipinas? Ano? Iba-iba. Pinoy ba kayo, guys? Anong capital ng Pilipinas? Ano? Baguio? Manila, Manila. Okay. Sige, Manila. Sabi ni nanay, Manila. Maniwala tayo kay nanay. Ayan. Ano naman ang capital ng Austria? Sige, Google Map nyo muna. Google Map. I-chat GPT nyo dali. Ayan. Ang kapital ng Austria is si Wien. Ay, si Wien. Mali pa. Wien pala yung kapital ng Austria. So, kapag sinabi namang Wien, sasabihin nyo ay Margaret. Yung pagka-Margaret, dapat nyo gano'n, Margaret. Ganyan, ha? Sige, ulitin natin. Anong kapital ng Pilipinas? Anong kapital ng Austria? At kapag pinag-usapang Wien, Margaret. Arigato gozaimasu.
Akiya ka ne, utani zayo, hazuki ren.
So yan guys, yung nakita nyo kanina is kami na nagiging in character sa cosplays namin. And if interested kayo sa anime, nood kayo ng Love Live Superstar. So for our next performance, dito is may center tayo. Hulaan niyo sinong center natin. Hindi nila alam. Ano yung center? So, ano yung center? Yung center is, siya yung parang gitna ng song. Siya yung bida ng song. So, sa mga group, may mga centers kasi. So, for our next song,
Non-fiction.
yan!
分がまず変わらなきゃ欲しがるだけならまだまださねえこれからの迷いのない私を見てなさい派手に決めるはチャンルスト遊び心忘れないで君も夢中よ大中の注ぐの情熱きっと瞬きする間も惜しむくらいに溢れる兆し見たくなってる Happy so dreaming but this is no picture ショータイム始めましょ君の声を聞かせて君の体揺らして違いなさみたい一つになりたいみんなで固まり場になっていく今こそパーティータイムもっと上がっていけば何でも叫び出す大人とパピーな別に見たことない世界連れてってあげる今からこの手で作るとわからない Fantastic amazing but this is no fiction 新しいドア開か
Alright. Diyos ko, kaka-on ko na aking microphone. What a performance! Di ba may 10 pa, Hojisora?
大ピンチですあと10分で家を出なくちゃ遅刻しちゃいそうで逃げるにしかず吐き出したら時間なくてもめっちゃ可愛くなれるわねねねねねねねねねねとはいえちょっと間に合わなそうだけどすっぴんは見せられない今日だけ散々こうしてタクシーメイクの道具も応援中私のでかい夢に比べたらこんな失敗はちっちゃいくらいこの可愛さに免じて許してお願いと言えないけど顔が可愛いのも才能と思って優しくしてほしいのであの手この手で今をときめけ少々も磨け磨け可愛さで世界征服可愛いだけじゃダメですか右左正面休止させちゃう可愛いものみんなでギュッとして時は戦国女の子持ちも多分本気出してた愛は取り合う戦いなのです臆病な心はポポポイとしてシェアでハピハピ楽しくなれるここが世界一の場所ねねねねねねねねねねねねね
Hello? Yan guys, nagustuhan niyo ba performance namin?
Opo.
Ay, hindi. Nagustuhan niyo ba performance namin?
Sobra.
Yes, thank you so much po. Magpapakilala po muna kami as persons, individuals who are cosplaying these characters. So starting, I think halos lahat naman na po is familiar na sa inyo kasi halos lahat ng nandito is nag-perform kahapon at kanina ng solo. So starting po sa akin, I'm Ces, cosplaying as Shibuya Canon. Ako po yung gumawa ng group na Hoshizora. We are a cover dance group. So, nagko-cover kami ng mga idol songs as a group. Yan. Next!
Hello everyone, my name is Reina and I'm cosplaying as Kukutang.
Hello, I'm Shua and I'm cosplaying Sumire Yana.
Hi everyone, I'm Yana. Follow nyo na kaagad ako sa Facebook. Naganap na ano. And I'm cosplaying as Win Margaret. Maraming salamat po.
Hi, I'm Taiga. I'm cosplaying as Chisato Arashi.
Hi everyone, I'm Asheri, cosplaying as Natsumi Onitsuka.
Hello everyone, I'm Kim cosplaying as Hazuki Ren. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Yan, di pa kami tapos dahil may one last song pa kami. Pero bago kami mag-proceed, invite ka lang po kayo sa booth namin doon. May mga merch kami. And pinag-prepare po talaga namin tong event na to kasi ngayon complete na kami kasi yung iba ngayon lang nakarating sa Baguio. So if you want guys to support us, punta po kayo sa booth namin habang hindi pa tapos ang event. So for our next song is naka-base siya sa outfits namin. Gaganda ng outfits namin, di ba? Yan, yung nagtahi nito is family member ni Ate Yana. Yes. So for our next song and last song, I hope na makicheer kayo sa amin. Sing, Shine, Smile.
Grabe, save the best for last talaga. What an amazing performance. So charming, so coordinated. Parang hindi nila first time yung mga iba to come up this stage. So, we're gonna give you the chance to promote your group once again. So, Kaises, the leader.
Hello guys! Thank you guys for watching us. And sa mga nasa live, I hope nagustuhan niyo yung prepare namin. If you guys want to invite us on your events, you can reach us out on our social media accounts. Follow Hoshi Zora at Facebook. Spelling is HOSHIZORA. Hoshi Zora. And then, ayun po, thank you so much for supporting us sa mga members po natin. And once again, if you guys want to support us, may booth po kami doon.
Yes,
And-
pwede pang humabol sa mga merch.
Yes.
Ubusin niyo na po, parang awa niyo.
And thank you so much po for Waifu PH for inviting us here. Kasi first time po namin sa Baguio.
Naku,
Sabi-
sis,
sabi
hindi
nga-
ka lang ang first, it will also keep on going.
Sabi nga nila, outing tayo sa Baguio. And once again, we are Hoshi Zara. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Pa-picture
Since complete na sila ngayon, let's have a photo op.
Yay.
Groovy ka agad. O, hiramin ko muna yung microphone, sis. Lapit po tayo sa gitna. Nasaan yung mga supporters ni Hoshi Zora?
Lahat ng
Dito
gustong
po
sumali
tayo.
sa ating photo
Dito po
ops,
tayo,
please
dito po
go
tayo.
here on stage. Dito sa mga chairs na to so that everyone could be captured.
Yes,
Yan,
please.
lahat. Lahat na, yung mga gusto. Okay, hintayin natin yung iba. Baka may gusto pong sumali.
Give your bride a smile. Next naman, waifu symbol or waifu sign. Next, kawaii, cute. Jump shot daw eh.
Next,
Isa
jump
pa,
shot, jump
yes,
shot.
together with our organizer. Pwedeng huminga, guys. Pwedeng huminga. Yay! A waifu PH. A waifu. A video. Okay, so what do we say? Alright, thank you so much once again. Hoshi Zora, wag mo na kayong aalis because we're about to award your certificate of participation. So we really appreciate you gracing our stage.
Yes.
So, Waifu Fest 2025, Let Your Dreams Take Flight, Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Ma'am Shane. Please do the honor. Let's give it up to Ces. Yung leader nila, sige ma'am.
Yan.
Ayan, pwede tayong lumapit. Ayan, move forward. Then we have Hoshi Zora Reyna. Palakpakan naman natin si Reyna. We also have Yana.
We also have Hoshi Zora Chua. Also, we also have your Hoshi Zora Ashery. Next on
Kanina
the
yung
list,
nag-perform, we have
Taiga.
Hoshi Zora Taiga.
Last but not on the list, Hoshi Zora Kim.
There you have it.
Tan, 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 tan. Also, meron din kayong mga souvenirs from waifu.ph. Yan. Hope you like these souvenirs.
Okay, let's join them sa photo op because they're
Yes.
so cute. Yes, Show your certificate, darlings. Ayan, smile. And of course, our waifu symbol, everyone. Waifu. Let's show our support to Hoshisora with a big round of applause. Maraming salamat, ladies, for gracing Waifu Fest 2025.
They made it so complete with their Ender performance. Grabe. Sobrang kala mo pinaghandaan ng buong taon from 2024 to 2025.
Exactly.
Tama.
Hindi halata na first time ng mga iba sa stage na ganito. So once again, maraming salamat and see you next time.
Year.